Hi, my name is Salvador Mendia. I'm the owner and operator at Universal Auto Care. I came to the United States when I was 11 years old. I came with my mother, my younger brother that was 1 year old. I was taking automotive classes at school. I felt like God was really calling me into that field. So April 1996, we moved to Park City, Waukegan area. I've been in the field for about 20 years now. Started in 2001 as a service writer and just built my way up from there as a loop technician, general maintenance, and after that just becoming a manager of the facility that I was working for. May of 2016, the business opened. At the time, it was a struggle, especially because of the area that the business has been placed. It's not a trustworthy area. It was not at the time. I believe that's changing now. One of the biggest struggles we had is the hours that we were working, 10 to 12 hour shifts every day, coming in, opening the doors. Winter time, we would leave here till 10 at night sometimes. We had a really bad system at the time. Everything was manually, from receiving our customers, creating an RO number, and also going into diagnosis, preparing an estimate, and then calling our customers. That was taking too long. We could spend an hour, 2 hours just doing the process, sometimes even longer. We were just looking for resources to be able to have more clientele at the time. In this business, every day there's new things. Every year there's new cars. So there's equipment that has to be purchased. I believe that if you don't have the right tool for the right job, you cannot perform it properly. Right at the end of 2022, I should say, we started looking at different softwares. We knew we needed something more. So I started looking at different companies, different software, spent some time, and we came across AutoLeap. I just started looking at it, and number one thing that I liked about them was the fact that they're very customer focused. A lot of the other companies I looked at that were focused on the management of the shop, which I believe is also important, but if we don't have that relationship with our clients, with our customers, if we can't build that trust, then we will not have clients to manage the shop. We had a van with an evap leak, brand new van, 2019 Savannah, and as we're looking further into it, we found that it had a large leak, and we needed to do an evaporation smoke test. That there was actually a screw that was driven through the inside of the vehicle and made a hole in the gas tank. The fact that we were able to take a video with AutoLeap and show that to our client, the process of the test, the results, and show them the facts of, hey, look, this is where your issue is coming from. Helped us build that trust with that client, and now the customer comes back. He sends several customers just because we're able to build that trust with them. In AutoLeap, there's a feature for appointment booking. So our no calls, no shows are minimized. Out of 5 people, we get 4 people that show up. One feature that I like from AutoLeap is the fact that they have the customers for their feedback. I believe it's been about over 50% growth in our reviews. With AutoLeap, we're being able to minimize the amount of time that we take creating our estimates. We went from taking 40 minutes to an hour, and now we're able to create an estimate within 5 minutes. And it also has helped us be more efficient, not only in our office, but also in the back of the shop. And we're able to communicate that information all through that application, all through the website, to our technicians, write everything down, the customer's concern, our process, our diagnosis, our repair, our warranty. All of that is in one application, and I'm very thankful for that. AutoLeap has all-in-one. We're able to not only create estimates, ROs, not only stay in touch with our customers, create appointments, reviews, but we're also able to communicate and create reports for our accounting. It has helped us as a business to be able to look at our margins, look at our profits. Since it's an automotive business, our industry changes all the time. So the new tools, new equipment, new cars come in every year. So we have to maintain our trainings, our tools, our diagnosis equipment, and with AutoLeap and those reports, we're able to project the seasons and the months that we're able to purchase those, and we're able to invest back into the business. AutoLeap has been really helpful. It has improved our business. I would say about a third of what we were at before.